vocabulary for kids. Let's start now. Highway, highway, highway. Freeway, freeway, freeway. Zebra crossing, zebra crossing. Traffic signal, traffic signal. Two-way street, two-way street. A toll, a toll, a toll. Street light, street light. Intersection, intersection, intersection. Bus stop, bus stop, bus stop. Flyover, flyover, flyover. Speed bump, speed bump. Footpath, footpath, footpath. Traffic jam, traffic jam. Street, street, street. U-turn, U-turn, U-turn. Bypass, bypass, bypass. Roundabout, roundabout, roundabout.